right? The only way we can achieve full success in life is by creating partnership with other like-minded individuals who are seeking or who are doing the exact same thing as you are doing, right? Think about this. Think about how some criminals are so successful, right? You have to create partnership, right? And the best way to create partnership is to, if you're gonna rob a bank, I'm not saying go rob a bank, but you want to find somebody who has successfully done so, right? And what I mean by successfully done so is that they haven't been caught yet, but will they be caught? Eventually they will be, right? So as a creative, the only way I can continue to become a better creative is to seek out assistance, seek out help, seek out support from other creatives who are doing it at a higher level than I am doing it, or that are doing it more consistently that I am doing it, or that are just better than me in general. Hey, there's no hate out here. There's no time to be hating on nobody who is out here doing something to improve themselves. Creative or not, stay focused, keep going. Life is only one. Unless you got one saved out somewhere else, hey, you gotta get up and do it. You just got to do it. All right, peace. Desmond Brooks, stay safe. Woo!